Today I'm going to be taking another look at my new computer. Technically not new now, I've been using it for a long time. So I just have a normal set of speakers hooked up to it, but as a test, let's see how it does against my laptop. Let's get going. So instead of putting a song on, getting copyrighted, and then all that other crap, I'm just going to put on Mind Turtle from the ASDF movie, because why not? Now, disclaimer, I do not own the song, I have not bought the song, all credit goes to Tomasock. I do not own anything, except the computers. So it's his song, it's his stuff. Luckily, he has not copyrighted things, so I can do it by itself. I'm going to play it at the same time, but mute one. I'm going to start it off with this computer, or my Dell. So, let's go.
Technology, the time machine went back in time to 100 BC. The caveman asked what kind of animal are you?
Hey, I'm a tortoise.
I am a stegosaurus.
Mind Turtle and other after-movie t-shirts now available at Shopify.
I hope you caught that. I think I'm going to be labeling it when I edit this. I would say this is how it goes. This is how it goes. This is louder, but less quality. And then this speaker here, which is, you can't really see it, but this is the one, and there's also one behind my monitor. And then underneath my desk is the one for the bass. I would say laptop is louder, but badder, like bad, I would have to say. And then the speakers for the desktop are better, but softer. But that can definitely get fixed. Just listen. Oh God. Okay, too loud. But you can tell it can definitely get loud. Yeah, so I have to edit 3 videos, I think it is now, because I haven't done them yet. So here's a quick clip of stuff, and well, I guess that's it. Go check out Tomasock, because he's a good guy. He does some pretty funny things like the ASDF movies and that kind of stuff. Yeah, his videos are quite funny. Click here to subscribe. Click here, here to watch another video, and just have a good day. I hope this video is 10 minutes long. Bye.